Hey everybody, Heidi Banks here. Thank you for all the love and support I've been receiving from your emails and texts, letting me know how valuable the relationship series we've been doing has been for you. I'm excited to announce a new series starting on July 16th on Thursday evenings, 3 in a row, and it's Relationship Upgrade. And what I love about this series especially is I'm inviting in a group of experts to work with you over those 3-week period. The first night, we're going to have a dear friend of mine, Arielle Ford, who some of you may know. She's written The Soulmate Secret and has been helping couples improve their relationships and singles get into relationships for well over 20 years now. She's an extraordinary teacher in this field, and we will be doing a Q&A together and taking your questions. And we're going to end that evening with another dear friend of mine. Her name is Barbara Bijou. And Barbara is also a best-selling author, and she's the queen of ritual. And we're going to be doing a ritual to release past hurts, anything that could be standing in your way of receiving the relationship you'd like or upgrading the one you're in. And for some of us, that's the relationship with ourselves. That's just the first night. The following Thursday, Quentin Phelps will be joining us, and Quentin has created a program to help us identify what makes us beautiful. It's extraordinary. He's been the king of cosmetics for 20, 30 years now, working with such celebrities as Beyonce, head of beauty for Bobbi Brown, just has incredible credentials in this field. But what he discovered is that beauty didn't come from outside, it came from inside. And if you could identify those specific qualities that made you beautiful, that made you unique, you would be attracting the love that you want in your life. And so he's going to take us through processes around that. And that evening, we're going to end it with my friend Agape Stassinopoulos, who is an Insight grad and has worked with Insight before. And Agape is a master in helping you unbind your heart. All of us could use that in our lives so we could open to greater love and to receiving greater love. The third week, we'll be creating a blueprint for you to construct the perfect relationship for you. And that will be Rachel, Jane, and myself with a very special guest. But we're going to keep that a secret. So I hope you're going to join us 3 Thursday evenings. They're all going to build on each other. So do join us for all 3. But if you can't, come in, drop in for one. I can assure you, you'll want to stay for the rest. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful day or evening, wherever you're listening to this. And I look forward to seeing you on Zoom soon. Bye.